Hey traders, today I locked in a $1,129 profit from one quick and easy trade. I bought into this move here and sold into this big breakout that followed. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy that I use for this trade so that you can follow along and catch these moves as well. Now, I don't want to waste any time here in this video. I want this to be a quick and easy guide for you guys to catch these types of trades. So this is going to be the dip and rip strategy that we use for this trade. And if you've watched this channel before, you know that the dip and rip strategy usually is going to start with a stock that is gapping up. So if we take a look here at our scanners, these are the scanners that I use for my own trading every single day. They're also live streamed to our team of traders in the Market Master group. And they're actually on YouTube as well with a 5-minute delay, so you can check them out and try them out for free here on YouTube. But again, this is going to start with a stock that is gapping up. So we can take a look here at our top percent gainers, and we can see the stocks that are gapping up from their previous day's closing price. AHMA, the stock in question for this trade, was gapping up about 122% into the market open. So once we found some stocks that are gapping up, they have high volume. Ideally, they'll have some kind of catalyst to be behind that move in the gap up. That can be an earnings report, that could be some kind of FDA news. Really any kind of bullish press release is going to be a catalyst that can then drive the price higher once the market opens. So what we want to see then is, of course, going to be a dip at the open. Obviously, a dip and rip. A dip is going to be part of that trade. So in this case with AHMA, we can see that the market opens, it does start to chop around a little bit, it then pulls back and looks like it's going to sell off there underneath the VWAP, which is this gray line here moving through the chart. And why this dip part of this trade is so important is because this dip is actually going to trap short sellers. Short sellers are going to start piling into this stock, thinking that it's just going to gap up and then fade lower and lower and lower throughout the day. And once it reverses then, all of those short sellers are now stuck in their short positions, and they're going to have to buy out of their positions to cover and to manage their risk, which is going to then create a lot more demand for the stock and push it even higher. So once this starts to then reclaim the VWAP and it starts to form a little bit of a higher low above that previous low, that is where I look to buy into this type of trade, and that's exactly what I did here to make my $1,129 profit today. And as we can see, it ended up having a really explosive move. So on this trade, I bought at about $10.55. I was risking down underneath this low, so I was risking about $1 per share on that trade. With 400 shares, that means my risk on this trade was a $400 maximum loss. As we can see, again, it spikes through those morning highs, goes into a volatility halt, gaps up from the volatility halt, and then spikes even higher. I sold out of my shares a bit too early in hindsight, but I was selling at about $13.39, I believe, was my average exit. And again, from doing that, I made a $1,129 profit with only about $400 total in risk. And that is one of the really important aspects of trading. You always want your winning trades to outweigh your losing trades. So by buying into these setups, you're able to really maximize your winners, and you're also able to have a very set and defined level of risk because you know that there is a clear low already placed and you can risk off of that low when you're buying into that higher low. And that is essentially the dip and rip. You want the stock to pull back a bit, trap some short sellers, reclaim the VWAP and start to form a little bit of a higher low to set up for that reversal. And that is when you're going to look to buy into the stock for that explosive rip part of the move. And this is a setup and a strategy that I use just about every single day, especially when there is a little bit of a weaker market. When the market is strong, we'll typically see more opening range breakouts happen. Stocks will spike right away at the market open. But other times the market will be a little bit weaker and gap and goes are not going to happen right away. It will need to trap some short sellers to actually set up for that squeeze. That's going to happen a little bit later in the morning. So try out this dip and rip strategy and let me know what you think down below in the comments. Also, if you found some value in this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to hear about the stocks that I'm trading in real time, get access to our trade alerts for stocks just like this trade today, as well as our live scanner streams and even our day trade bootcamp premium education. All of that can be found at Master the Market. There is a link down below in the description for you to get signed up. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.